Ugly sweater means, well, a sweater that is actually ugly. And Christmas sweaters are notorious for winning in the ugly category. Decked out with lights, pictures of Santa, and maybe a few awful puns, National Ugly Sweater Day is the main event of the holiday season. National Ugly Sweater Day is celebrated on the third Friday of December. This year, it lands on the 18th of December. The first official Ugly Sweater Day was in 2002 in Vancouver, Canada. The host threw the party to raise money for their friend's cancer treatment. Since 2011, National Ugly Christmas Sweater Day has grown to be an international event. Now, occurring on the third Friday of December, the celebration gives holiday lovers worldwide a chance to wear their ugly Christmas sweaters. 1989. Popularity peaks. Jingle Bell sweaters reached a peak when displayed on the whole family during National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. 2002. Reinventing the ugly sweater. The first known ugly sweater party is thrown in Vancouver, Canada, to raise money for a friend's cancer treatment. 2013. From outdated to mainstream. uglychristmassweater.com is founded, adding momentum to the steady rise toward mainstream popularity. Why do people love National Ugly Sweater Day? Obviously, it's the only day when we can wear something ugly, and it is actually cool. Let's face it, if you come to work on any other day wearing an ugly sweater, you would be the laughingstock of the water cooler. Save that ugly sweater for National Ugly Sweater Day, and well, you're the man of the honor. Secondly, they are incredibly warm and cozy. Wearing one on makes you want to throw on a pair of fuzzy socks and curl up by a fire, hot chocolate included. Best part? This feeling lasts all day. Moreover, there is an ugly sweater for everyone. With the ugly sweater industry booming, there is no better time to hop on the ugly sweater trend than now. From brand new to do-it-yourself, there is an ugly sweater for every person and every personality. You just have to find it. Haven't heard of Ugly Sweater Day? No worries, 23% of people will buy an ugly sweater. It's bound to happen. Whether it's for a house party, or an office event, or for family photos, 23% of people don't doubt that they'll be joining the ugly sweater brigade for some time in the future. The joy that comes with purposefully wearing an ugly sweater is pure and unbeatable. 9% of people have celebrated. Haven't been to an ugly sweater party yet? Don't worry, you'll get there eventually. In fact, 9% of people have reported that they will be going to the first ever ugly sweater party this year. Don't know anyone throwing a party? Why not host your own?